He's got a goatee. Freaking guy. You need to stop pulling out your feathers, beautiful bird. I give you preening toys, I give you shredding toys. You're just a feather plucker. Want your bum? Did it fall off? No, it's still there. You are so cute. Give me the feather. Oh, I want to get rid of this spit wad. Oh, I thought I had it. Damn. Give me the spit wad. Come here. Come on, Randy. Give me the spit wad. I know you're just way too cute. Way too cute. Yoink. Randy, please stop. Please. You are just so cute. So cute. Still going through a molt. It's taking forever. Forever. Poor guy. His head's been itchy for so long. You can feel all the sheathed feathers.